cool. When you're sitting on your throne and you realize that your life is empty because you contemplated your life decisions as of now, then get a job and buy computer parts and fill that empty void that is your computer case. This is my brother's, used to be mine's. Building a computer is like Legos for adults. You just have to have a bit of patience. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.